In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Klarna virtual card and add it to Apple Pay or Google Pay. We'll keep this quick and clear. A Klarna virtual card lets you shop anywhere Visa is accepted, both online and in-store, using your phone's digital wallet. All you need is the Klarna app and either Apple Pay on an iPhone or Google Pay on an Android device. Start by downloading and opening the Klarna app from your device's app store. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and keep your device software up to date for the smoothest experience. When the app opens, you'll land on the home screen. Look for the Wallet tab, usually along the bottom navigation bar. Tap that to access your cards and payment tools. Inside the wallet, you'll see an option to activate your virtual card. Follow the on-screen prompts. The app guides you step by step and typically finishes in about 60 seconds. During this process, you may be asked to confirm a few details or approve a quick verification. If you get any pop-ups requesting permissions, such as notifications for security codes, go ahead and allow them. This helps the activation complete without delays. If something doesn't load right away, a quick app refresh or checking your connection usually solves it. Once the card is active, the app will offer to add it to your digital wallet. On iPhone, that's Apple Wallet for Apple Pay. On Android, it's Google Wallet for Google Pay. Tap the Add to Apple Pay or Add to Google Pay button, then accept any terms and follow the brief prompts. Your phone may ask for device authentication, Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to finish securely. If you're on Android, ensure NFC is turned on for contactless payments. That's it. Your virtual card is ready. You can now shop anywhere Visa is accepted. In stores, wake your phone, open your wallet if needed, and hold it near the contactless reader until you see a check mark or feel a vibration. Online, choose Apple Pay or Google Pay at checkout, or use the virtual card details stored in your wallet when prompted. A couple of quick tips. If you have multiple cards in your wallet, consider setting your Klarna virtual card as the default for faster checkout. And remember, if you ever need to pause or remove the card, you can manage it right from the Wallet tab in the Klarna app. You're all set to tap, pay, and go with your Klarna virtual card linked to Apple Pay or Google Pay. Happy shopping. Happy